It's time to play What Is This? Hey friends, can you guess these insects based on the picture that I show you? Will 10 seconds be enough for you to guess which insect is in the picture? Let's see. What is this? It's a butterfly. What is this? It's a centipede. What is this? It's an ant. What is this? It's a spider. What is this? It's a mosquito. What is this? It's a fly. What is this? It's a bee. What is this? It's a grasshopper. What is this? It's a ladybug. What is this? It's a praying mantis. What is this? This is an earthworm. What is this? It's a scorpion. What is this? It's a beetle. What is this? It's a snail. What is this? It's a dragonfly. What is this? It's a caterpillar. Yay! Good job, friends! We guessed all the insects. Great job!